Welcome back to our channel, where today we're going to take a deep dive into the amazing health benefits of blueberries. These small but mighty berries are not only delicious but also packed with an array of nutrients that can do wonders for our well-being. So, let's explore why blueberries are truly a superfood. First and foremost, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. In fact, blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant capacities of all fruits and vegetables, which means they are incredibly effective at fighting oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. But the benefits of blueberries go far beyond their antioxidant content. These little berries are also a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin C, which boosts our immune system and helps promote collagen production for healthy skin. Blueberries also provide a good amount of vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Plus, they contain manganese, which plays a key role in energy metabolism and antioxidant defense. Now, let's talk about the impact of blueberries on brain health. Research suggests that the high levels of flavonoids found in blueberries have powerful effects on the brain. These compounds have been shown to improve memory, cognitive function, and even slow down age-related decline. Including blueberries in your diet may enhance brain health, boost focus, and protect against conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Another fascinating benefit of blueberries is their ability to support heart health. These little berries are packed with heart-friendly nutrients like fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. The fiber in blueberries helps to lower cholesterol levels, while the potassium relaxes blood vessels, improving blood pressure regulation. Moreover, the antioxidants in blueberries can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which play a significant role in heart disease prevention. When it comes to digestion, blueberries are your ally. They are a great source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber content also aids in maintaining a healthy weight and reduces the risk of developing conditions like type 2 diabetes. Additionally, blueberries contain natural compounds that nourish the beneficial bacteria in our gut, promoting a balanced microbiome and overall gut health. Now, let's talk about the beauty benefits of blueberries. These little gems are rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and protect our skin from damage caused by environmental factors. The vitamin C in blueberries is essential for collagen synthesis, which maintains the elasticity and youthful appearance of our skin. Including blueberries in your diet and even using them topically can contribute to a healthy, glowing complexion. Fitness enthusiasts, listen up. Blueberries can be a game changer for your workouts. The high antioxidant content of blueberries helps combat exercise-induced oxidative stress, reducing muscle damage and inflammation. Additionally, the natural compounds in blueberries may enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, improving endurance and recovery. So, make sure to fuel up with blueberries before and after your workouts. And let's not forget about the versatility of blueberries in the kitchen. From breakfast to dessert, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutritious berries. You can start your day with a delicious blueberry smoothie bowl or sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal for an antioxidant-packed boost. For a refreshing and colorful salad, toss in some blueberries with mixed greens, nuts, and a tangy dressing. And when it comes to desserts, blueberries are a perfect addition to muffins, pies, and even homemade ice cream. If you're looking for inspiration and more creative ways to incorporate blueberries into your meals, check out our recommended blueberry recipes in the description below. From savory dishes to sweet treats, these recipes will help you unlock the full potential of blueberries in your culinary adventures. In conclusion, blueberries are truly a nutritional powerhouse. With their abundance of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, they offer a wide range of health benefits. From supporting brain health and promoting heart health to aiding digestion, enhancing skin vitality, and even boosting athletic performance, blueberries are a delicious and versatile addition to any diet. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the amazing health benefits of blueberries. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy living and nutritious recipes. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to embrace the power of blueberries and make them a regular part of your diet. Here's to your health and well-being. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. Until next time.